So from now we will start the first part of the number system of Vedic mathematics, and this topic is also related to the class 9 mathematics textbook. Okay, so let's start with the number system. So first we have to know there are various sets, about 6 sets. Okay, for number system. What are they? The first set is n. Okay, n stands for natural number. Okay, so n stands for natural number. What are the natural number? Natural number means the number which we can count. Okay, for example, you can take the example of money. Money can be counted from 1 or 0. It is counted from 1. That's why the natural number starts from 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, up to infinite. This is the symbol of infinite. Infinite means the number which we cannot count. Okay, that is known as infinite. So the set of natural number is known as n, and it starts from 1 and it has no limit. Okay, that is why we are writing here it ends at infinite. So clear? This is known as natural number. Now from this natural number we have two types of number. What are that? We have two types of number. One is even number, okay, and other is odd number. Now first we will learn what is even number. Even number means a number which can be divisible by 2. Okay, suppose I am taking the example of 16. Does 16 divide by 2? Let's try. 2 8. Yes, or you can try by dividing in this form. 2 8 ja 16, and we get 0 as remainder. That means we can say yes, 16 is divided by 2. Since it is divided by 2, that means 16 is an even number. So what are the even number? The number which can be divided by 2 are called even number. Okay. Similarly, can 18 be divided by 2? Yes, 18 is also divided by 2. Okay. 14 is also divided by 2. Okay. So the number I am writing here, the number which is divided by 2 are called even number. Okay. So the number which can be divided by 2. We can take the example of 2. Yes, 2 is also divided by 2, because if 2 is divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, the remainder is 0. That means we can say 2 is also a even number. Now it is clear what is even number. Coming to odd number. What are the odd numbers? The numbers which are not divisible by 2. Okay, which are not divisible by 2. Okay, the number which cannot be divided by 2 are called odd number. You can take the example of 1. 1 cannot divide by 2. You can example 3. You can take an example 5. Okay, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, and as such. So these are the numbers that cannot be divisible by 2. That is why this type of number is known as odd number. But if you will take the example of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, okay, so these are the number which can be divided by 2. That is why they are known as even number. Okay, this is the basic difference between even number and odd number. Clear? So now coming to the second type of set, that is known as whole number. Okay, so first set is natural number and the second set is whole number. The set of whole number is denoted by the set W, or you can write it as n star. Okay, so n star means it has some contribution of n. Similarly, as the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite, similarly the whole number starts from 0. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the counting number. but 0 is the special number that must be included in the whole number. So 5, 6 up to infinite. Clear? Now you can see whole number starts from 0 up to infinite, but from 0 to infinite we have the number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite, and we can say this number is the set of natural number because we have already studied that the natural number starts from 1, and similarly the whole number starts from 0. That means the whole number contains natural number inside it. Yes or no? Yes. That means which one is the larger? Whole number is larger or natural number is larger? See, this total is known as whole number. Okay, this total is known as whole number, but from this to this is known as natural number. So which one is larger? Definitely whole number is larger. Okay, and natural number is the smaller number. That means we can say n star is greater than n. Okay, so it is clear that the whole number is always greater than the natural number. Okay, this is the second type of set. Now coming to the third type of set, that is known as integers. Okay, and it is abbreviatorily known as set of Z. Okay, so integers have, always remind, integers have three parts. Okay, the first part is known as positive integer. Okay, the last part is known as negative integer. Clear? And the middle part is known as special integer. Okay, so can we say the integers starts from which number and ends at which number? Since it contains three type of integers. Okay, so the middle part is special integer, and I have told you the special integer is 0. Okay, that means the integer contains 0 at its middle. Okay, and towards the right side it contains positive integer, and the positive integers, as we know, starts from 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. These are the positive integer. Okay, these are the positive integer, and 0 is the special integer, and towards its left hand side it contains negative integers, and as the negative integer starts from -1, -2, -3 and ends at minus infinite, and these are known as negative integers. Clear? So we can say the integers contains 0 at the middle, positive integer towards its right, negative integers towards its left. So this is the total set of the integer. Now it is clear. Now we will define whether Z is larger or n star is larger or n is larger. Let us find out. Since the total set, this total set is known as Z, but from 1 to infinity it is known as n. So which one is larger? N is larger or Z is larger? Definitely Z is larger. Clear? So we can write Z is greater than n. Clear? Now, and you can see from 0, okay, from 0 to infinity, from 0 to infinity is known as, you can see 0 to infinity is known as whole numbers. The total number is known as whole number, but this is the integer, integral set. So which one is larger? Z is larger. So you can write Z is greater than n star. So that means Z is the father of n and n star. Z is the larger among n and n star. So you can write Z is greater than n star. Yes or no? Yes. But as we know, n star is greater than n. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the relationship between set of integer, set of whole number and set of natural number. Okay. So these are the three basic sets.